Go sweep by the stove. Go sweep. See if you can get that thing out of the stove with the broom. Go. You have to sweep in the kitchen, not out here. Yeah, go sweep in the kitchen. There you go. Good job. Keep sweeping. Can you sweep? That's right. Clean up that floor. That goes in the trash. You put it in the trash. Okay, pick it up and put it in the trash. Yeah, where's the paper? Put it in the trash. Good job. All right, keep sweeping. See if you find any more. Put it in. Let go. Leave the trash alone. There you go. Good job. Okay, get your broom again. Andrew, get the broom. Time to sweep some more. Okay, no, leave that there. Leave it there. Get your broom. Sweep. Yeah, look, it's a piece of paper.